Hello everyone, we are from Sinox Power, manufacturer of BLDC ceiling fan, pumps and motors. Today we are showing you demo of 12 volt DC ceiling fan with remote control, which directly runs on solar panel. As you can see, there is a 75 watt solar panel directly connected to this fan. This is a 12 volt 48 inch BLDC ceiling fan, runs on 60 to 75 watt solar panel and 12 volt battery. This is a high speed remote control operated BLDC ceiling fan with excellent LDW. Now this is a remote control for this fan. There is an on off switch and 1 to 5 speed buttons. Now we can turn off the fan using remote. The fan is off now. Now we can turn on the fan using 5 speed button. The fan is running now. We also make 24 volt 48 volt BLDC ceiling fan.